Hey everyone, if HandBrake refuses to start encoding, gets stuck at 0%, or stops with an error, this guide is for you. We'll go through the fixes that usually get an encode moving again without changing your original video. First, check the activity log. In HandBrake, open the activity log or click the error details after a failed encode. The last few lines often point to the problem, like an unsupported source, a missing output folder, or a permission issue. Next, check where the finished video is being saved. Click Browse and choose a simple folder, like Videos or Desktop. Also give the new file a different name, because HandBrake may stop if a file with the same name is already open or protected. Now make sure your computer has enough free storage. The final video can be smaller than the original, but HandBrake still needs working space while it encodes. So try to keep several gigabytes free before starting again. After that, select a standard preset from the panel on the right. Fast 1080p 30 is a good test option for most videos. Using a preset resets complicated settings that may be causing the encode to fail. Then open the Video tab and try changing the encoder. If you were using H.265, switch to H.264 for the test. It's more widely compatible and can help when a particular encoder setting is the issue. If it still will not encode, turn off hardware encoding for now. Hardware encoders can fail when a graphics driver is outdated or unsupported. Choose the regular software H.264 option, then try the encode again. Yeah, it may be slower, but it is a useful test. Finally, update HandBrake to the newest version. If you already have the latest version, uninstall it, restart your computer, and install a fresh copy from the official HandBrake website. This can fix damaged files or older bugs. And that's how to fix HandBrake when it is not encoding. Start with the save location and a simple preset, then test the encoder settings. In most cases, one of those changes gets the queue moving again.